Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add blur effect to overlay only in CapCut C. For example, I'm going to select the main photo to the track and I'm going to add the overlay. So just put on top another clips. Before I'm going to move from the background, just click cutout, select out and cutout. And I'm going to add the back blur effect. I'm going to add blur effect to overlay. Go to effect and select the light. Sorry, select the register nightclub. Alright. Alright. So select lens effect and you can find the blur effect. So just add the track. You can adjust what is duration is assembling with the effect. So to apply only for overlay, you're just going to select the overlay and back, right click and click create compound clip. Here you go, the effect, the blur effect only applied to the overlay only. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.